Let's go to the trades again on the day. Minus 2850 on the 200K, minus 500 on the 50K, down 4,500 on the week, down 725. We seem to be having these early week drawdowns and then comebacks in the latter part of the week. We have Fed Day tomorrow, so it's choppy into Fed Day. It's also interesting to note the very bullish sentiment in the market, even after all the selling that we've seen and all the bearish fundamentals. The bulls have all decided it's time to be bullish here. That is a normal cyclical pattern to be bullish here, but it's interesting. You have to ask the question, when is the last time the stock market has gone up when it hasn't been helped by the Fed? When is the last time? So unless the Fed all of a sudden pivots again and it's easy money, it's hard to see the market moving higher here. Just a automatic response. And Paul Tudor Jones gave some very bearish comments about stocks and bonds today. That was interesting as well. Let's go over the trades on the day. So here are the S&P strategies. Covered 3, stopped out on the long trade, and we had adaptive moving average just taking losses up and down. But we didn't have that. We've seen an early chop followed by a trend. Early chop followed by a trend or reversal. Today it's just choppy, choppy, choppy all day long as we have the Fed meeting tomorrow, and just a desire to pop this market up, although it hasn't been popped up that much. And so weak effort to drive this prices higher and to call a bottom. It's persistent but weak as far as magnitude, so we'll see tomorrow. Bitcoin sold off today. Oftentimes the market will follow Bitcoin, and so that's interesting as well. SR counter trend 2 up on the day, so we had 2 strategies that were down on the day. Adaptive moving average lost quite a bit, minus 67.05 on 18 contracts, but plus 1440 on SR counter trend 2. Small trade there. Let's look at the Nasdaq trades on the day. Tick pulse stopped out. Just see the extreme nature of the chop. Just looks like it's about to go right here. It looks like it's about to crash. This sell-off looks pretty strong, and it looked like it ought to follow through, but the bulls wanted to hold it up today, and they were able to prop it up. We were able to take advantage of that, though, with our tick pullback at the end of the day. Those got some of the gains, some of the losses back on these gains right here. But overall, we had tick pulse V12 down on the day, tick reversal, 2 losses yesterday at the end of the day, and 2 today. This loss was a small loss. It wasn't stopped out. It was just a time exit. And so got out at the end of the day on tick reversal long. Tried to go short here, tried to go long. Tick pullback aggressive, got long here. Tick pullback more conservative, got long on a deeper dip. And Cobra 2022 tried to go long overnight, lost. Cobra 3, 2022 1 minute, tried to go long in here. Looked like the trend was up, tried to buy the pull back into the trend line, and then it just rolled over and stopped out and then chopped around. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strategies traded, and only 2 are profitable. The tick pullback strategies were the only 2 profitable. On the Nasdaq today and on the ES, only 1 out of 3 strategies were profitable. So those are the trades on the day, pre-Fed, May 3rd, 2022. And once again, here is where we are. This is on the week and on the month, minus 4,500, minus 725. We had a lot of nice equity peaks at the end of April, and so 2 days in, we're going into a choppy downtrend as we go into a Fed meeting. Looking forward to what the Fed will say tomorrow. They're supposed to increase rates by 50 basis points, and they're supposed to start decreasing the balance sheet by about $95 billion a month. So it'll be interesting to see what the statement says and what the actions will be as they follow through in future projections. So could be a market moving event. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.